Foundation repair can be a real headache, especially when you're not totally happy with how the job turned out, you know? So here's the deal. First, always get a solid warranty or guarantee in writing before the work starts. That way, if things go sideways, you've got something to hold them to. Make sure you understand what the warranty covers and for how long, because not every repair is the same. If cracks or problems pop up again, don't just ignore it. Contact the contractor right away and explain what's wrong. Keep all your receipts and paperwork handy because you'll need that for any follow-up. If the contractor isn't responding or fixing things, check if there's a local construction board or consumer protection agency that can help mediate. Sometimes, companies offer repairs or even refunds if the work was shoddy, so don't be shy about asking. Also, getting a second opinion from another expert before jumping to conclusions can save you money and stress. Just remember, clear communication and keeping everything documented are your best friends through this whole process. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation repair is not checking the contractor's reputation before hiring, which can lead to poor quality work or scams. Always research reviews and ask for references to avoid this. Another common issue is skipping the inspection process before repair, so problems might get worse or be improperly fixed. Always insist on a thorough inspection and detailed report. The third mistake is ignoring warranty details or not getting them in writing, which leaves homeowners stuck if issues come back. To fix this, read all warranty terms carefully and make sure every promise is documented on paper. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier, so you don't have to stress about who to call for your foundation repair or any big job. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for their services, making it a win-win for everyone involved.